In question number 1 of this third exercise, we'll have to state whether a polyhedron can have 3 triangles for its faces, 4 triangles for its faces, a square and 4 triangles for its faces. Now we already know that a polyhedron is a solid with a minimum number of 4 faces. Now based on this concept, we'll answer the 3 parts of this question, where in the first part, if we'll have to state whether a polyhedron can have 3 triangles. Now this is definitely not possible because we know that a polyhedron should have a minimum of 4 faces. Now moving on to the second part, if a polyhedron will have a minimum of 4 faces, all those 4 faces can have 4 triangles, as we can see in this particular diagram, where we see that these are the 4 faces. So this is the third one, and this side would be the fourth one, the back side. So we can see that this is a polyhedron with all its faces as triangles. So we can definitely form a polyhedron with 4 triangles, and this is known as a triangular pyramid, which is a polyhedron with 4 triangles. Now moving on to the third part. Now there are already 4 faces. One would be a square and the 4 would be triangles. So definitely a polyhedron is possible, as we can see in this figure, which is nothing but a square based pyramid. Where we see that these are the 3 faces of the polyhedron. One is this side, the back side, and the base is a square, so it's known as a square based pyramid. So these are the ways through which we can state whether we can draw a polyhedron or not. This is how we are going to answer the first question of this exercise.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.